The weather after rain is something else. It's another thing altogether. Look, I think I'm close. So, going for the lectures are even early. Yeah, very early today. Is he here? Do you think he's here? Let me try here. This hope this door will open shut. Are you sure it's here? I followed the wrong route. Instead of following the place we entered through yesterday, and I want to follow another side. I think I'll follow this way. So instead of following the same route we followed yesterday, and I said let me explore another route. Can you imagine now? I can't find my route again, but yeah, I'm there. I found my route. See you guys later because I've reached it. Good morning, my sister. You did not serious. I go now. Oh, yeah, my dear. Wow. No longer the new one you wanted to buy. Okay. Okay, that your own. So you now need the hard disk. So this one is the new one you have now. How much is this? 160 pounds. And then 150 people yesterday. Anyways. You just add that 20 extra 20 pounds and be 10. Emerson is in okay. Deva. Maybe that's why we'll go and install all this stuff. Okay, maybe because you bought the system. That's good. That's good. Now, check again. Yes, but how is our baby? Are you just coming in now? Oh, okay. Maybe the last person that stayed here, either that the person slept. Beyond that time. Yes. They are storing on that system. Yeah. So, and you don't have them because they're already connected with the downloaded one. So what I will do is after working, I will go to the download and delete those ones. Yeah. So then my laptop will not be because this laptop thing now, you might use system and a book like big. What is it for the hard drive? I think it's a very high capacity compared to a laptop. You understand? Terabytes, right? If you say the one I'm even working with, sometimes it will just tell you. And then how you say it's in such a thing that it will not be storing anything. Yeah, right. Oh, very digital. The phones because yeah. You will just be doing like as if you're lost. You don't can there be na but can be gazilia. Hey my loves, another beautiful day, another lovely day, another awesome day. How are you guys doing this morning? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I don't know, this is day what? Well, I don't know, but I know for sure that I've been doing daily vlogs and I hope you guys are also enjoying it as much as I love creating it. Yes, it's a beautiful morning and I'm ready. What else is remaining? I'm all done, set to go. Well, Today it's going to be a busy day because we are having lectures as well. We're having lectures, and this lecture is going to run for like 1 week. Yeah, we're having lectures, and it has been a busy week. How has it been so far? Well, it's been awesome. It's been lovely. It's been great. Oh my God. See, in the United Kingdom, the system of education here is so like a standard. Because tell me why a lecture room would look like a conference room. Like when you are in the lecture room, it would just look like as if you are you are in a lounge. Oh my God, that place is so beautiful. Sorry if I'm just saying talking like this or if I'm just sounding like this, but I just love to express how I felt seeing beautiful things. Oh my God, that place is so cute. It's so beautiful. Guys, you don't understand. You don't even understand what I mean. I wish I can capture the lecture room, but I can't even do that. Of course, people are there and I respect their privacy, but man, oh my God, that place is so beautiful. It's so cute. And lectures, when lecturer is talking, what she's saying, what he or she is saying is entering your head. I mean, it's in the enter. It the enter. Well, that's it. That's it. At least it makes studying kind of like interesting. Yes, I am happy to announce that we are slowly leaving, or we are slowly coming out of winter season. Yes, you guys already know how I used to rant about this winter, I mean, this cold weather on this channel. Thankfully, today is the weather is so mild. Weather for today, 5 degrees, mostly sunny. Oh my God, I can't wait to go outside because I know that it's not going to be cold. Yes, of recent, I've not been wearing my gloves, which is even a good thing. A sign that summer is coming. Yeah, because I don't like cold weather. Yes, that is why every time I'm always ranting about cold weather. Oh yeah, that's it. I'm cool and I'm great, and I hope you guys are good as well. How have you been? Like, how have you been? And hope everything is going on well. Yes, guys, I'm going to see you guys in my next clip. So quickly before I leave, this water bottle or this water bottle. Oh my God, I put it in my bag some time ago, and yeah, I went to school. Like I went to school with it. I don't believe what happened. This thing, I never knew the lid wasn't really covering well because I don't used to take it to school, but I decided to like, okay, let me just take it to school. Like, let me put water because sometimes I do feel thirsty in school, and it will make me to start buying water, which is not even ideal, or which is not even okay with me, because why should I be buying water when I have water at home? So I decided, you know what, let me just take this water bottle, let me take this cup to school. Guys, I put it in my bag and the rest is history. The water that poured inside my bag, it was plenty. So today, I'm not going to repeat that mistake. I will just be carrying it this way. I'm just going to carry it along the road. I don't even know how it's going to look like, but I'm going with it like that because there's nothing else I can do. And then when I see money, and then get a new water bottle. I mean, the one that has a nice covering. Although this one, like, it's covered well. From what you are seeing, it's like it's covered, but it's not grippy, like it's not tightly covered, which makes the water to be spilling inside your bag. But yeah, even as I'm even carrying it, I didn't even feel the cup. But the cup, of course, is very big. It's because the quantity of water I put inside would be enough for me for the time I'm going to be in school. Yeah, so that's it. So we are ready, and let's hit the road.
or select another option.
Ooh, it's drizzling outside. And God, how am I going to walk under this rain? It's drizzling. Oh, it's not heavy shower. It's not heavy. I don't remember. This rain. Can you imagine? This rain not be anybody's mate to. Thank God I went back to wear my winter coat. Jesus Christ, I am totally drenched, but thankfully I'm wearing my winter coat. Imagine what I look like. See.
So, yeah, because they'll have...
Good morning, guys. So I'm going and ready for today's lecture, and this is what we look like. My lecture is starting by 10, right? Yeah, by 10, and by 10 I have like 15 minutes. Yep, 15 minutes to be at the lecture hall. Alright, see you guys later. Bye. Bye.